Welcome to my world. This is what's going to happen when you do things the wrong way. There are going to be a bunch of questions out there. Well, what happens if I dishwasher my appliance? What will happen? Well, let me show you. Glad you asked. On the table, you have a nice product, real shiny. Yes, indeed. And what will happen if you put this in a dishwasher? Oh man, you take all the coating off. Now can I paint it? Get a shine back on? It's going to take a number of coats. I want to get that out of here. It stinks. We try our best to follow the instructions. Now this is the main problem if, you got the machine, you turn it on, everything is running, it's moving. I'm going to shut it off so you can hear me. You put your meat in, and it's not going anywhere. And it's giving you no information with the beeps. So you do one of these. You open this up. And you put your fingers here. And you see it spinning. But when you grab it, it's not doing anything. Oh, that is a big no-no. Even though you had this tightened down and everything was working 100%, you open up and you take a look at this right here. You put your fingers on it. It moves, but then it stops. It moves and it stops. You try to put a screwdriver on it. And the problem is this socket gear in the side where it holds by the screw is stripped. So what you need to do is take the screw off. Save the washer and the screw. Take the piece off. And you contact Netison for a new one. And look at that. Stripped. They will give you a full replacement part. But if you're handy and you're out of warranty and they won't give you the part and you got a meat grinder that is like this and doesn't work, I'm going to show you the repair. The repair is quite simple. You just need the basic tools. A hammer, a hacksaw, a screwdriver, a large pin nose pliers, and a Dremel or a cutter. And all you need to have is a piece of metal. And you take this piece of metal and you make what is called a wedge. And you're going to have a file. And once you do everything, and I'm not going to show you how to do it all, but I am going to show you what I got made from this to that. This little wedge is very simple to put into the machine. You're going to take the socket, the machine, face it like so, place the socket on, slide it down. You're going to look for the widest opening area. You're going to go here where the squares are at and not the round edges. You're going to do your best to push it in. It's going to take you a number of tries. My hand's in the way, and you're going to push down, squeeze Squeeze, make sure your hand and skin is away from banging. And then give another love tap. Now everything is on. You take your washer, your screw, and this is a one-shot deal. You place everything on, tighten it down because the washer is going to push the wedge in and hold it into place. Now what you're going to do is just basically put everything back on. You're going to put these on. Very important, because sometimes you put this on wrong, you're going to break your unit. Notice the roundness goes inside. Notice the flatness. It goes here, like so. And then you put this on this particular way. Make sure that plug is out. And then you're going to spin this on. And you don't want to make it super tight. You want to make sure these grooves sit in correctly. So you put your finger in the center. You spin it on. That's the tightness you need right there. Don't crank it. That's the tightness you need right there. Turn on. Get a light. And that sucker is spinning. And you want to make sure it's working. You can see right here. Right here. I put pressure on it. I'm going to grab it like this, and it still spins. You're fixed, just like that, fixed. I'm going to shut it down, but I am going to take this out. And I want to show you how this works and spins by giving it force. Don't do this to your machine. Beautiful. I hope you learned a lesson. You made a mistake, you washed your part, the chrome came off. You broke the grinder part, the gear that made of aluminum, and you didn't know what to do. You were searching around and around and around. And here was a video of giving you that exact thing of what would happen. I hope you understand that. Make the call to the company and you'll be able to get the parts replaced at no charge. I hope you learned something. Have a great day. I'm Fish, your how-to guy.